So this is iOS 26, and in this video you are going to learn 5 unique tips and tricks, something that is hidden from us and no one talked about online as of yet. So stay tuned. What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and in today's video, hidden iOS 26 features. There are over 200 new features, but in this video, you're gonna learn how you can set new ringtones. You're gonna learn how you can make the Photos widget colorful when everything else is glass-like. You're gonna learn how you can combine emojis and 2 other things, because it's a top 5 list or 5 list. But if you want to know more, then subscribe to this channel and I'll show you more. First of all, the Apollo Air case is available for the 17 series on Best iPhone Accessories and apollo-accessories.com. Be sure to check it out and use the coupon code JOE and you will get 20% off worldwide shipping. This is iOS 26 and everything is glass-like. You know, if you long press over here and you go into edit and you go into customize, you can customize colorful, dark, clear or tinted icons. Now, in the clear icons, usually when you put this and you have the Photos widget, it is not colorful. The way you can make it colorful is very simple. You just click over here or tap over here, tap again on the photo, and you can see that there are 2 options: always display in full color and spatial scene effect. So spatial scene effect basically makes the photo 3D, and always display in full color, well, it's what it is. If I turn it off, you can see that the photo is in black and white, just like when you set the clear icons. If you tap on that and you turn it on, then no matter if you have all of your icons basically black and white or clear, this will not be clear. This will be like vibrant and you can have your pictures in full color. I think it's very useful. All right, the next feature, as I said, you can set new ringtones, anything that you want. All you need to do is go into voice memos. And if you go into voice memos, you will create a new recording. Let's say this. This is a message. Now, why did I create this? Well, because if you tap on this 3 dots and you say share, and then you go down and you say use as ringtone, it's gonna jump over to the ringtone section. And you can set your ringtone or text tone or voicemail or anything that you want. Let's go for text tone. So if I click 11, this is a message. Then you're going to get that voice memo. This is super cool. If you have friends and you record them saying something, you can actually set their ringtones to be their own voice. I think that is super cool. And it's super easy to set up. It's just basically 2 clicks. You can have a ringtone like that. Now, here we are in Safari, and Safari is a bit worrying because they've removed the easy access for the tab bars. But there is a solution. So basically, with a new setup, you need to click on these 3 dots. Then you need to go to all tabs, and that's when you see all tabs. Now, this is 2 extra tabs. Previously, you could just tap on something and it opened your tabs. But there is an easier way to navigate between tabs. First of all, if you swipe on the search bar down here, you can actually switch between your tabs. That's super easy. And the next thing is if you swipe up, then you can actually go to the All Tabs menu. So again, swipe up on the search bar, not from the bottom of the phone, from the search bar, and you will be able to navigate to all tabs, and you can actually open a new tab. There you go. That's how simple it is. Now, I don't know if you know this. I am actually a big emoji user or Genmoji user. I create a lot of emojis. And there is a new option for us right now. If I go into Genmoji, previously I could just describe something and it would create it for me. Now you can actually combine emojis. So, for example, I'm going to put this emoji and I'm going to put this emoji. And let's hope we get a smart ghost. And I think it's gonna pull it off. There you go. We have a yellow smart ghost. And if you put orange, then we can actually make it pumpkin season-like. So a smart orange ghost. Let's see if it works. There you go. Perfect. You can now combine 2 emojis. Let me take this out and let me add a new emoji. Let me put this scared cat emoji, remove orange, and what's it gonna do from a ghost and a scared cat? Is it gonna be a scared cat ghost? Exactly. It's a scared cat ghost. Now, will it allow me to put 3 emojis? Yep, it's working. It's doing something. Anyway, you can combine emojis into new emojis. This changes the game for Genmoji creation. It makes it a lot more simpler. We all have our own emojis that we love, and we would just like to customize it a little bit. With this function, we actually can. And finally, a lot of people don't like liquid glass. So if I pull down, you see I have the liquid glass effect behind my notifications, behind everything. If I pull down over here, everything is glass. But let's say you don't want it. You just want the new operating system, but not this glass effect. Well, you're in luck. All you need to do is go to Settings. In Settings, you need to go to Accessibility. In Accessibility, you need to go to Display and Text Size, and here you need to reduce the transparency. Once you do this and you exit, you can see the dock is no longer glass. The icons are no longer transparent. If I pull down, as you can see, all of my notifications have a matte background. That means that it's a lot easier to read and you're not fiddling around with the glass design. I think this is a perfect solution for people who are not really into this whole glass design. And you can put back the colors, and there you go. You just basically had changes to your icons, not much more. It resembles iOS 18 to some extent. It mats down your background. It does everything that you would expect from this to do. Now, if you want the glass effect back, you just need to turn this off, and boom, there you have the glass effect back under everything. So these are 5 tips and tricks that no one really is talking about online, and I thought it would be nice for you guys to know. If you want to see more tips and tricks, hit me down in the comment section below, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.